Welcome to the Midland College Library. Come on in and let me show you around. Just inside the doors is the circulation desk where you can ask questions, check out materials, borrow supplies, return books, and sign in for study hours or use of the honors room. By the circ or circulation desk up front is the reserves shelf where you can find course-related material that you can only use in the library, called in-house use. You can also find handouts from some instructors and test prep materials here. Also nearby is the coffee bar with free beverages, the flyer column full of Midland College events and information, and the resource table with takeaway information about Midland College, university, and community resources. You'll find computers all over the library for your use. Just log in with your student email and Canvas password. You may also use our computers to print to our copier, where we offer free, unlimited black and white printing, plus scanning and photocopying. You can also find movable furniture all over the library, so you can make our space work for you. From tables and chairs to whiteboards, rearranged to fit your needs. Just please put it back when you're done. Speaking of whiteboards, in addition to our rolling whiteboards, we have whiteboard tables, and even the frosted walls of our study rooms are whiteboard friendly. Ask for whiteboard markers at the circulation desk. Our study rooms are first come, first serve, and one offers a connectable television monitor. Our stacks or shelves of library books are the big draw of the library. We have over 46,000 books, including special collections such as the Linda Hancock Texas collection and the Barnes & Noble collection, in addition to reference books, academic use books, and even a small assortment of pleasure reading, including popular fiction. Books are grouped together by subject in a system called the Library of Congress classification system. Signs at the end of each shelf can help you browse our subjects, or you can ask for help at the circulation desk. If you pull out a book to look at it, please return it to a yellow cart. Don't reshelve it or put it back on the shelf by yourself. There's plenty more in our building, but that's all of the library there is to see. Thanks for coming in. Remember that the library is for everyone. If you need more information, watch our other videos, stop by the library, or reach out through library chat on our webpage. Have a great day.